Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to fix your background is currently turned off. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be noticed whenever you're going to change your desktop background, it's appear black, and also whenever you click on personalize, you will see there is appear one message which is called your background is currently turned off by easy of access setting. So how you can easily fix that? So I'm going to share with you how you can fix that. For that, go on your device start menu and then click here setting. So when you click setting, you have to go on easy of access, and then easy of access is scroll down all the way down, and then you will find here something called show desktop background image. Maybe somehow or some cases it's off, and that's why you cannot change your desktop background, or your desktop background appear black. So whenever you turn it on, you will notice whatever desktop background was before, it will appear. Also, you can go and personalize now. You will see there is that error message which was your background is currently turned off by easy of access setting, which is now already vanished, and now you can set your preferred background if you would like to set. So this is how you can easily fix is currently turned off no desktop background in your Windows 10 PC, or if it was appear black. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.